Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Muhammad Al Faras coming up with a new review from new company. It's called Bushcraft Spain. It's a well-known brand among bushcrafters. They have a website and they sell also on Etsy. I bought from them this leather pouch tools. It have a place for 5 tools. You can add more if you want, but for now I have my Victorinox knives. Only this one is a sharpening tool from Victorinox. It's made especially for the small knives. This one is cowhide from the inside, rough cowhide, and the outside is beautiful soft color leather, high quality. This is their logo. I bought this leather tool for I think $35. It's a really nice classic made. I like classic stuff. I like leather. I like this wood piece for wrapping the tool. You can see here you wrap it like this and then bring it around. Maybe this piece is a bit soft, but I seen or I used some leather item where this one is thick and bulky. You stop using it, so I think I like this much more, the soft leather. It's much more practical than a heavy duty leather that you hate using. Like this, and then you open it. Maybe these tools are not suitable for it right now because you have this protection against the sharp edge of the knives. It's good. I think it's more used for longer item maybe, so you can easily see them outside. But in general, I like it so much. I highly recommend it. It's selling in their website. I will add a link below, bushcraftspain.com. This one, my grip 55 from Victorinox. It have the longest saw. So this is my review, small review. You see the attention to details and the price. Here is the Spain flag, or representation of the flag. I like these rivets, and this one is you can open it if you want to. So yes, get yourself one. I made quality leather. You feel like you are holding an old letter in your hand. Thank you so much.